Manchester Metropolitan University is one of the main clients for our agency, Innovative Education Network Private Limited. So I head the India operations for Manchester Met. Though this from last year onwards, we started supporting the South Asian countries also. So now we are looking after Nepal, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka as well. Need to introduce an electronic platform, especially when it came to CRM, that is customer relationship management, was the kind of contact that the team can have. So earlier on, because we kept maintaining the manual Excel files, which obviously is useful, but when you have a huge database of around 10,000 leads, it's difficult to go and very slow to move manually. Rather, it's more swift and quick if we have a tool. For instance, with ExtraEdge, we were introduced, or rather it was new for us to know that the team only had to click on the screen and they would automatically get the phone number dialed on their phone, and then they can talk through it. So it was much more time saving. In terms of reports, it was something that we felt would be much easier for us rather than trying to export a report or make a report on our own manually when we do it over Excel. But if I talk about the tool at ExtraEdge, and I learned about your tool and was introduced about it during the proposal, it was really good to see that the reports were already there in the report section of this portal. So we really didn't have to extract a lot or do a lot of manual work when it came to reports. And last but not the least was, of course, in terms of managing the team. So now that we became a big team and had to make sure that we all were contributing equally to the work, it was important for me as the manager of the team to monitor the work of my team members. So I think monitoring and team management also made it much easier when we got the ExtraEdge app. I think we really love the fact that if you talk about those two segments of, like for us, we kept our lead descriptions separate, and we kept the network, that means our agent network leads, separate. I really didn't imagine that that was possible, and we really struggled in the past to maintain them that effectively the way we've now done, because of us keeping it in two separate lead sections. So this was really something brilliant, which I felt that if you have two different kinds of database that you wish to maintain on the same app, you can still do that. So that was really something interesting for me to do. The customer support from you guys have been round the clock. So even if I leave a message and that is only by the end of our working hours, and you notice that SMS late in night, you will still bother to reply to it rather than waiting for the next day to happen. So that's really kind of your team to actually look into it that way. I think I would say that it is definitely worth the spend, because when you invest in ExtraEdge, the best part that I felt was we also evaluated some of the quotations from of the big giants in the market. We felt that the hand holding which we required, because it was a first go at any CRM app, that wasn't there with anyone else. So we didn't feel that this was coming before from anyone else. So I felt that yes, if you are experimenting with this feature of CRM for the first time, definitely it is ExtraEdge that you should experiment with. And also, if it is not something new that your business is looking at, and you've been in the market for long and you've been working with some other CRM tools, I will still say it's worth a look at, because the way the customer support has been for us, I think the way the team has tried with so many requests round the clock, and still you all have always replied with a smile. So I will always still recommend that yes, ExtraEdge is definitely worth it.